Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, what if the sun just disappeared? Not burned out in billions of years, but vanished, right now, in an instant? What would happen to us, to our planet? Let's explore this chilling scenario together. For the first 8.5 minutes, we wouldn't notice a thing, nothing. It takes that long for light and gravity from the sun to reach Earth. So for 8.5 minutes, we'd be blissfully unaware, enjoying our last moments of sunshine. Then, suddenly, darkness. The sun would vanish from the sky, plunging the entire planet into an eternal night, lit only by the distant stars. But the darkness is just the beginning. Without the sun's immense gravity holding us in our orbit, Earth would become a rogue planet. We'd fly off into space in a straight line at our current orbital speed of about 30 kilometers per second. We wouldn't immediately fly into another star or get sucked into a black hole. Space is mostly empty. We'd just drift, a lonely orphan planet in the cosmic void. Back on Earth, the consequences would be catastrophic. Photosynthesis would stop almost immediately. Most small plants would die within days or weeks. Larger trees could survive for a few years, maybe even decades, thanks to their slow metabolism and energy reserves, but eventually, they too would succumb to the endless dark and cold. What about the temperature? Without the sun's warmth, Earth's surface temperature would plummet. Within a week, the average global temperature would drop below freezing, to about 0 degrees Celsius. In a year, it would be around -73 degrees. The top layers of the oceans would freeze over, but this ice would actually insulate the deep water below, preventing the oceans from freezing solid for hundreds of thousands of years. So, could humanity survive? It's a bleak picture. Surface life would be almost impossible. Our only hope would be to move underground or to the deepest parts of the ocean. We could potentially use geothermal energy from the Earth's core to power our habitats and grow food with hydroponics and artificial lights. Deep-sea ecosystems that rely on hydrothermal vents, which get their energy from the Earth's core, not the sun, would continue to thrive, completely unaware that our star was gone. Life for any human survivors would be unimaginably different. We'd live in cramped, artificially lit bunkers, powered by the planet's internal heat. We'd never see the sun again, never feel its warmth on our skin. We would become a species of the deep, a civilization living in perpetual darkness, drifting through interstellar space. Eventually, our wandering planet might get captured by the gravity of another star, giving our distant descendants a new sun and a new dawn. Or, we might drift for eternity, a frozen tombstone of a world that once teemed with life. It's a terrifying thought, but it really highlights how incredibly dependent we are on that beautiful, life-giving star in the center of our solar system. It reminds us not to take the sun for granted. It's the silent hero of our story, and without it, our story would come to a very cold, dark end. Thanks for watching this cosmic thought experiment with me. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more explorations of our amazing universe. See you next time.